Very good evening to all. So this is a short and simple session to help you analyze yourself, to help you correct your mistakes, to help you motivate, to remain disciplined till you give your NEET PG exams or upcoming INICT exams. Okay. So this will be a small effort from my side so as to give you a simple strategy for your upcoming NEET PG exams 2024. So obviously the strategy will be discussed along with how to remain motivated. This is one thing now which is like lacking in many students, that they start feeling that depression, anxiety, so as to how to continue, why to continue. So let us see why to continue and how to continue in the event of getting that anxiety, in the event of getting that depression within. So in relation to success, always remember this simple line. This is a very simple line which I remember throughout my life, that any road to success is always under construction. You won't get a clear path. That path has to be prepared by you and only you with your hard work. So road to success is always under construction. Now, what is success? Success is not about being lucky, isn't it? It's about being prepared, how well we have prepared ourselves. So in this journey of preparation for any exam, there is a connection. You will agree that there is a connection between avoidance of responsibility, discipline and action from time to time, which we all do. Now, how to minimize this and how to counter this? Try to realize the root of why you are avoiding your responsibility, why you are avoiding your discipline, why you are not utilizing your time. By the technique of self-reflection, face your whys and your queries, and your anxiety level will depress. The level of anxiety will depress, and that is what is needed in the journey of preparation, isn't it? So this path you have made, you have worked for so long. Right now it's time to get the results in your favor. So this journey of preparation should not be demoralized. This journey which you have started now, it should be fully energized. Now, moving ahead, always try to focus on yourself, not others. In life, not only exams, in every sphere of your life, what you need to do is you need to focus on yourself. Your strategy is your strategy. I will also give you a strategy for your exams, but that strategy you can modulate according to your need. Okay? Now, what to do if your focus is getting distracted? Just ask yourself a simple question so as to, what do I want from my life? Like, this is a simple question of what do I want from my life? I will take a pen and paper. This what you should do. You should take a pen and paper and write the answer to that question. While you are writing now, you are thinking. While you are thinking, you are making your brain active. You are trying to visualize things so as to, what do I want from my life? What do you want? You want a good rank? You will get settled in your life. You want settlement in your life. Yes, this is what everyone wants. So for that, yes, we have to work. Who else will work, isn't it? So once you start getting those images now, you will have that vision, a clear-cut vision, a streamlined vision that yes, this is what I want, and what you want will be achieved now. If your path is correct, if your journey is correct, and if you are that much hardworking, obviously with streamlined focus, your vision is very clear and you will get a very good rank. So this should not be like, you should not get deviated from what you have started. Okay. Now, what keeps you on top is your mental health. So keep on trying without any anxiety. And body has limitations. Believe it, body has limitations, physical limitations, but our mind does not have. God has given us, everyone, a very beautiful mind. So without any limitations, if I have to use my brain, I will use it to make every day count. Either you run the day or the day runs you. This is my third line. These are the three lines which I like. I have read them somewhere or the other in books. So these 3 lines you can also inculcate during the course of preparation of your journey. Run the day yourself. Don't let the day run you. Once the day is run, now the time is gone. So utilize this time. Utilize every day, every night to make your life a meaningful one, isn't it? Meaningful for yourself. That is the best part of it. If your life is meaningful now, all the people associated with you obviously will feel good. Be it your family members, be it your teachers. Yes, teachers get happy when students give good ranks, isn't it? Now coming to the strategy part. बहुत हो गया motivation. See, motivation creates discipline, and once you are disciplined now, you just need constant force, little force, like these sessions, to keep you on track. Now coming to this strategy part. This strategy part will be beneficial for 2 group of students. One group of students will be those students who have just cleared their FMG exams and somehow they are eligible to give NEET PG exams. Okay. Now this strategy, which is of about 70 days plus minus 7 days, so like about 2.5 months roughly. So I have categorized the number of days. Like you can give, just a second, you can give 4 days for anatomy, 3 days for physio, 4 days for biochem. So this breakup is already written. So total 11 days will be needed to cover your first year subjects, at least in the first read. This is for students who are going to give NEET PG after clearing their FMG exams or who have prepared just now. I will come to other students who are already preparing. Okay. Now for Patho, Pharma, Micro, at least you will need 4 to 5 days at least to cover it, because you have given FMG exams. Yes, you have an insight about the subject. You need to brush it from PG point of view, isn't it? PG perspective. So you will need about 4 days each for Patho, Pharma, Micro. And once you are thorough with these first and second year subjects now, believe me, studying medicine, surgery and obs gynae will become very easy for you. The 3 big subjects. Okay. For third part 1, you will need these many days divided into 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 days for PSM, 4 to 5 days. This you can see the timeline will be variable for every student. Some student can finish PSM in 4 days, someone will take 6 days. So that's why there is a span of plus minus 7 days. But yes, in the time span of 2.5 months, you can at least cover all 19 subject once. Given the fact that you have read it for FMG exams, given the fact that you have read the subject once. Okay. So in total, you will take about 2.5 months. So suppose you start by 25th of September, 25th October, 25th November. By mid of December, you will be ready. At least by mid of December or by 20th December, you have read all 19 subjects. Now is the time to revise. So this 70 days in which you have covered all 19 subjects, in half the number of days you can revise once. So second revision can be done by end of January or mid-February, and third revision can be done in 15 days of February and few days of March month, taking March month as your NEET PG exam date. Now the date is not confirmed, but yes, tentatively it should be in March 2024. Okay. So this is for those students. Now there is another group of students who are preparing since last year November or since January this year. Okay. So already you are going to complete your syllabus. In the meantime, with our classes, we all faculties used to say that once you cover a class, revise it once. So given the fact that you have revised once after finishing the class, be it offline, be it online, you will take half the number of days in this revision. Half the number of days, or maximum you will take about 50 days, isn't it? And there will be another group of students who are preparing for INI CT exam. So if you are a hardcore INI CT like aspirant, yes, your revision is already done. Now is the time for quick revision. So those quick revisions you have to plan according to your level of preparation, so as to which subjects are stronger, which are weaker. Focus towards the weaker subjects right now. Stronger subjects can be revised before exams also. Okay. Now, coming to my subject proper. Coming to my subject. FM gives you about 5 to 6 MCQs, about 6 to 7 MCQs from toxicology, total 12 to 13. And yes, if you have covered my online videos or my offline classes, lectures, those notes you have to revise. And believe me, you will revise my notes within a time span of 2 to 4 hours, not more than that. After first revision, first revision will take almost the same time. Second revision will be done very quickly, very quickly. So I hope for my subject, the students won't have a problem. Now coming to the preparation level, so as to suppose you are not able to revise yourself, okay, this is a genuine problem which you will get. So yes, we are there. We have come up with, DBMCI has come up with revision course. Revision of all the 19 subjects will be done in 26 classes in the form of mega power course, which was held last year also, and that was very helpful for many students. So this is mega power course 2.0, and this will be like clubbed with your Vive sessions. Vive is visual image based sessions. So all the images of all the 19 subjects, which images? The most important ones, obviously. So all the most important images will be revised, all the most important theory will be revised. So these two revision things have been clubbed this time, and this is keeping your interest into perspective. Now the platform, how will you achieve this mega power course 2.0 with Vive? So it can be either in face-to-face classes, which will be held at 5 centers. Till date, it has been planned at 5 DBMCI campuses, that is Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kochi and Bhubaneswar. Okay. Along with that, it will be also conducted on DBMCI live app for all the students who are not able to attend these classes in different cities. Yes, you can take the benefit of DBMCI live app. Okay. Now coming to DBMCI live app, yes, it will be pan India level. Like you, many of you attend DBMCI online live classes. So just like that, this mega power course along with Vive will be on live app also. Okay, for any student who is not able to take benefit of these offline classes at these 5 centers. Plus your image based matter will be certified with Vive sessions. Okay. Along with this, you will have access to egurukul basic plan, and course validity will be till 31st March 2024. Along with this, there is another batch which is there for test and discussion. Like many students, they want a retro revision. So this has been planned particularly keeping those things in mind. So T&D of all the 19 subjects in a hybrid mode of learning, like live sessions will be there, plus recorded sessions are also available. So student can take, if you have missed a live session, you can watch the recordings. It will be almost a similar manner. In live sessions, obviously interaction will be there. That is the point. Along with this, you will have added benefits, advanced plus plan benefits, clinical world benefits, QBank and test series can be utilized, and LMRP book will be given to you. And coming to express revision videos, which are online videos, they will also be launched by 15th of October. Okay, this is as per till date. The information which I have received, by 15th October, express revision videos will be launched. These will be held most likely in November, mega power course with 5 sessions. The exact date, timelines, you will come to know. You just need to go to dbmci.com or egurukulapp.com and you will get to know about the timelines. So stay tuned, and more information will be shared with you all very shortly. So the take home message, what is your message? My motivation is going down and down and down. So it should be up and up and up. You should not go down. You should always be on top. Think mentally and you will be on top. Believe me, think mentally. Train your brain to be with you. Why God has given you this brain? To do good things now. So do something good for yourself. Ask yourself that why, what is which you want? What is the thing which you want? And the answer will like boggle you and you will come on track. So I hope any further queries? These 3 lines, always remember, you have chosen this road of MBBS, you are going to be MDMS, but this road to success is always under construction. And yes, there are many hurdles, not only under construction. There are many hurdles which you will see as you move along. But yes, once you clear your exam with a good rank, you are going to get a desired branch of your choice. Nothing can be better than this, isn't it? So never leave this road, never get distracted. If anything is distracting you, remove it from your life till the time you achieve your dream. Never leave your dream. Work for your dream, and that will make you happy. Unless you are happy, nothing can be achieved. And to remain happy, you have to work. It's a vicious cycle. And never compare in your life with your friends who are like toppers, who are like toppers of the class or toppers in every exam. You can also be one of the toppers. Focus on yourself, and no one knows. You can be rank 1, rank 2, rank 100, whatever. According to your hard work, you will get it. YouTube session on NEET PG PYQs. Yes, that will be planned. Once we come close to NEET PG dates. Clear, SM? That will be planned. So never run the day. Run the day yourself. Never let the day run you. Okay? Utilize this time, and this factor will come in January, February, when your depression level tries to beat you. Never get beaten. You can do, you will do, and yes, anyone can do anything if you work for it. Any further queries? There was one notice which came today. So don't get distracted by those notices now. See, already the rankers who have got good marks in the exams, they have got their desired branch. They are well settled. Now there are few seats which are left in different medical colleges. So government has thought of that how to fill those seats. So they have decreased so that is not going to affect our student now, who is studying nicely. Merit is already there now. Meritorious students already have got their seats. Now the vacant seats will be filled by the students who want to join those branches. Yes. So it is not going to affect your level of preparation. Your level of preparation has to be top notch. See, sequence of subjects will vary from student to student. Sequence of subjects should be like, the weaker subjects should be revised first. Try to make your weaker subjects very, very strong. That should be your whole motive. First, revise your weaker subjects. In the meantime, try to revise the strong subjects. That will make you happy. Weaker subjects will make you unhappy. So happiness, unhappiness should be clubbed together. NEET PG 2024 most likely will be held in March as per NMC notification, which has a tendency to get changed every now and then, but till date, tentatively it will be held in March 2024. Okay, clear, Nikhil? Simple medical mega power course consists of, see what it consists of. Mega power course will be launched along with Vive sessions. Vive is image based sessions. Mega power course will cover your theory. Clear? Express revision videos are like recorded videos, so they will be launched as a separate course, I think, by 15th of October. Okay, you will come to know more about these things now in few days, just in the time span of few days. How many hours should you study? Number of hours you should study till you are tired of. Before exams. Once you are mentally tired now, then take a break, then study again, take a break, study again, take a break. At least you have to devote 10 hours. If you are starting now, 10 to 12 hours is to be done to get a decent rank, to get a good rank. Number of hours will be variable for few students now, like if they grasp very quickly, so it will be 6 to 8 hours for them. But on an average, 10 hours, plus minus 2 hours. This has to be done on a daily basis. It's not like one day you study 14 hours, another day you study 2 hours. That is the incorrect way to prepare. Maintain your consistency, maintain your rhythm, so that your mind also does not get tired. Na? If you maintain a rhythm, na, it will be lucid for you. Clear, Mosam? You are a DBMCI live student. See, vibe will be like your, what I say, try to take the benefit of vibe. Vibe session na, will be like, if you have attended my last year vibes na, you would have got the advantage. Like many students got the advantage in their NEET PG exams 2023. And that is a fact. I talk on facts. So yes, it helps. Vibe helps because you revise all the images in one glance. Like I will revise all FMT images together. And that will be a treat. That will be a treat for you. But if you are like thorough with the images, if your level of preparation is next level, so that you can plan accordingly. But yes, taking vibe will be is advisable. Because all the images of not only my subject, no, all the 19 subjects will be revised in a very short span of time. Because it's revision of all the images with all the key factors which have a tendency to get wiped off, which we have a tendency to forget. So our whole motive will be to stress over those factors. Vibe and Mega Power course will be coming in November month before your exams. Okay, by mid of November. Express revision videos you will get after 15th of October. Mega Power course is both online and offline means that I have already told you now. So it is both offline face-to-face and online live on DBMCI live app. Vikram, if you are watching those previous sessions now, my honest suggestion will be to at least go through the recent express revision videos or Mega Power course sessions with vibe, and that will suffice. Keeping all those students into mind na. Clear, Vikram? Mega Power course with vibe will help you in revision and updating your notes. Yes, PYQs, GTs has to be given na. GTs every 15 days. During this course of revision, never miss GTs. Time management is very important factor. Studying only is not going to give you a good rank. Speed plus accuracy. Accuracy of solving a question and speed of attempting a question, both matters. Speed you will achieve by practice. The more you practice, the more your speed improves. So keep on practicing the GTs at least twice a month, like in the mid of the month and in the end of the month, every 15 days. And previous year questions has to be solved. Yes. So while you are revising a subject, now focus towards PYQs of that subject. So that will help you in practicing the questions also, and that will help you focus towards those key important topics of each and every subject. Schedule and everything of Mega Power course and everything will be given to you in a short span of time, in just few days. Please give a study plan for November INI-CT. Yes, obviously. I was waiting if there is any November INI-CT aspirant. See, Aisha, for November INI-CT, which is going to be held on 5th of November, you should have your revision completed by 3rd of November, correct? 4th of November, you should chill. You should relax. Or you should revise only the pointers. Okay? 4th of November, you have to keep yourself cool. So by 3rd of November, if you have to revise, 3rd of October to 3rd of November is 1 month. Okay. Right now we are having this session on 20th of September. You have 10 days left in September, 3 days in October. Do a mathematics, 30 plus 13 will be 43. You have 43 days in hand. So out of 43 days, now this planner of number of days for different subjects, now it can be constructed. Now this is a planner for 70 days. You can revise all the subjects by changing the number of days now according to the subjects. You can revise the whole subjects in 35 days also. If you have prepared already the subjects, all the subjects have been prepared, they have been revised once. So this is, if I'm taking into account that this is your second revision, you will take half the number of days. So yes, it can be planned accordingly, depending on like 7 days of medicine. Now medicine you can revise in 3 to 4 days. So it will just be half of each. For my subject, if you have read my subject from me, it will take not more than 6 hours in this revision. 4 to 6 hours, max 4 hours. Some students revise the whole subject in 2 hours also. So this you can titrate accordingly, depending on which subjects are weaker, which subjects are stronger, which will be variable for each and every student. Correct na? Got it, Ayesha? So you have 43 days in hand, 35 days, you have to revise all subjects, and yes, you can. If you go with this planner also, just reduce the number of days by half everywhere. And accordingly, you can titrate also, na? If your particular, like suppose Ophtha is weaker, give 2 days to Ophtha, revise ENT in 1.5 days. That you can always modulate. Schedule of classes, Sanchit, will be coming in few days. Everything is under planner. So schedule of these classes now will be in every place. You will come to know on dbmci.com also, egurukulapp.com also. It will be on the website. But yes, express revision videos will be available from 15th October onwards. Mega Power course with Vibe will be available most likely by November onwards. The exact timeline you will come to know in just a few days. And total revision of all 19 subjects in offline face-to-face classes and DBMCI live app will be done in 26 classes. Okay. How many revision one should, and till when should we complete our first read? If you are preparing for NEET PG exams, you should complete at least by December, at least by December 20th. Then give your second revision by January end. Almost 35 days you will be getting, and you will take in the last revision you can do in February month, obviously. So that way you can plan, Chahat. Why will be available with hard copy booklet? Yes, hard copy booklet you will be getting, na, like every year you get your hard copy booklet, and online classes will be there, and the hard copy booklet you will be availing beforehand, so that once you are attending the session, na, the image is in front of you. You will be just writing the points wherever the blank space is there, na, you will be filling those spaces. So all your image of all 19 subjects will be certified. Got it? Simple medical. I hope this answers all your query. Any further queries? Anything which you want to share? Not only exams. This was a strategy and motivation session. And yes, coming to end of the session, read this line yourself. Read this line yourself. Life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. And change lies in our hands. Whether you want to make your life better or not, it lies in your hands. Always remember that. Whenever you are depressed, whenever you are into anxiety, stand in front of a mirror and ask the mirror, what do you want in your life? And write that thing, and you will start studying again. How to plan revision if we start after online classes that ends on November 3? How to plan after November 3? After November 3, see, Rakesh, very good question actually. So after November 3, na, what you can do is 3rd of December by mid of January you will be revising. But with that revision, you have to focus towards PYQs. With that revision, you have to focus towards PYQs, and your notes have PYQs. So you have to revise your notes with keeping in mind now that unless I remember from my notes, I will not stop. So this timeline of 70 days which I have made now, it was for students who are finishing their courses in September month. It can be utilized by student who is finishing their course by October month also. You have to be smart. You have to be smart. You don't have to read any unnecessary data, any unnecessary fact. Believe on your notes, believe on your teachers, whatever source you have read from, whatever may be the source, have belief on that source and revise only that source. Don't look here and there. If you are finishing your course in November, yes, where DBMCI will come handy for you will be mid of November, where mega power course will be there and 5 sessions will be there. So that will also help you revise if you have prepared from DBMCI or from anywhere. Yes, all 19 subjects will be revised in the time span of 1 month. That will be planned by us. And the beauty of those sessions will be now, like you are revising your notes. In mega power course, I will be telling you how to revise your complete notes in 6 to 8 hours. So that will be the beauty of mega power course. Okay. I hope this answers your query, Rakesh. So by 3rd of November, you are finishing your syllabus. Either you can revise on yourself. If you want assistance, yes, we are there for you. You can take the benefit of only 5 sessions or mega power course with 5 sessions, whatever suits you. Okay. Or you can only revise your notes if you have that confidence that yes, I have understood each and every topic nicely. So time to end the session. Change yourself, change your attitude towards life. Surround yourself with iron rich people, means positive attitude people, and people will start getting attracted towards you. Okay, don't surround yourself with iron deficient people. They don't know what magnetism is. Surround yourself with positive attitude people, and they will help you and they will take you to the level which you deserve in your life. So never surround yourself with distractions or negative attitude people. Okay, so with this note, we'll be ending the session. Stay connected for all your queries in DBMCI Telegram group channel, in my group channel, Instagram, everywhere we are available to sortify any of your queries. Okay, bye bye.